Shobha Realty.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you our travel experience from Dubai to Ras Al Khaimah by bus and also the beautiful staycation option at Al Marjan Island. So our journey started from Union Metro Station in Dubai, and from the metro station, the Union bus station is just around a 5-minute walk, so it's very easy to reach. So from there you will get a lot of bus option to the Ras Al Khaimah. The schedule I have provided here, and we boarded the Ras Al Khaimah bus operated by a RAT Transport Authority. And the ticket cost us only 30 dirham per person, and I feel it's very affordable to travel from Dubai to Ras Al Khaimah. And this total journey took us around 1.5 hour, and there are buses available every hour, so it is very convenient to travel to Ras Al Khaimah. Luckily, we got a stop near Al Marjan Island, which made our travel even easier. Otherwise, you need to travel to the Al Hamra Mall bus station. So, from the bus stop, the hotel was around just 1.5 kilometers away. So, we decided to walk instead of taking a taxi. It was sunny, but there was a cool breeze from the sea, which made the walk very peaceful and relaxing. So it took us around 20 minutes of walking to reach to the hotel, and we finally reached to the Row Hotel, and this was the beautiful view when we have arrived. The check-in procedure was very quick, and it took us hardly 5 minutes, and we have got a room on the top floor, which made us even more excited to see the view. So now let's see how the room looks like, and we have selected the beachside view room option. And as soon as you enter the room, you will first thing you will see is the bed, and the room is not very big, but it is perfectly designed and very well organized. And one side there is a one small coffee corner, a dressing table, and all essential are placed together very neatly. And the decoration in the room is very unique. And now let's see the view from the room. Room also have a sofa cum bed, which is useful if you are staying with friends and family. Now let's check the washroom. So the washroom was very clean and spacious. All the toiletries were provided and everything was properly maintained. There is a full size mirror, which is very important, especially if you are influencer to click a good pictures. Later we have decided to freshen up and go to the restaurant, and the food was really good, and restaurant has a very nice ambience. And this is the outside restaurant view, and the best part, there is another restaurant also near to the beach as well, so you have many options for the different food. The hotel also have a swimming pool, and there is a separate kids pool as well. And now it's exciting time. Let's go to the beach. And this yellow duck in the pool is totally stole my heart. And at that time there was Zumba session going on, and it looks so fun. They actually arrange many activities throughout the day like Zumba, yoga, aqua session, and other fun games. If I get the schedule, I will show it here. Later, we decided to explore the whole property. There is a kids' playroom inside the hotel, which is great for families. And one more useful thing, inside the hotel, you also get a small store where you can buy snacks, chocolate, toiletries, and other essential items, so you don't need to go outside. Overall, the vibes of this place is relaxing, fun, and perfect for the staycation. evening we had iftar dinner at our hotel, and the best part is dinner and breakfast were already included in our hotel package. I will share the full cost detail at the end of the video. The dinner setup was really nice. After that we went out and there is a outdoor gym as well. It's not a regular gym, it's a wooden outdoor gym setup which looks very unique and give a proper beach vacation vibes. There are many activities area inside the property including gym, pool and outdoor fitness space, so you always have something to do here. And that was all about our trip to Al Marjan Island. While coming back to Dubai, we booked a cab which costed us around 200 dirham, and I have provided all the cost detail on the screen so you can check the full breakdown here. So if you still have any question about the travel, bus, hotel, anything, you can put down that in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Hope this video helps. Have a nice day. Thank you.